there were opportunities to be able to catch the dips and ride the rips for 5%, 3 to 5% opportunities. But why did this stock take off and what to expect moving forward? Because it is looking like a strong move for DWAC to get out of this area right here, okay? Because this seems to be near the lows that we've seen it. It consolidated there since the runs that we saw. We had a big consolidation in the 50s and 60s, came down to the 30s and 40s, and it got out of it, and it's now pulling back, but consolidating here. So we're going to break it all down today with Ultimate 42 Vision, 42 Vision, and 42 Vision 2.0. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the opportunities I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if you want to get on early with us, every single morning we strive for opportunities like these. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. We're going to jump right into it here with DWAC, Digital World Acquisition Corp. So today's opportunities were spectacular and beyond expectations, and through the volatility of the market, we'll continue to strive and look for opportunities like these. And if you want to get on early with us and know about what stocks we watch every single morning, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the stocks I mentioned this morning. Every single one of them gave us 3 to 5%, 5 to 10%, and 10 to 15% plus in the single day. Now, one of them turned out to almost hit home run territory. Home run is 20% plus or more, and it reached 19% in the day. Let's go ahead and look at that chart and how it performed. So the opportunity that almost reached home run territory was PHUN. We talked about this one yesterday. We talked about it today in the morning. As it was pulling downwards towards the bell, it jumped up nearly 5 to 10%, and then we got that bear indicator here, and it went into extreme weakness on 42 Vision. Through the ups and downs in the volatility, we got the confirmation here. 42 Vision 2.0 full strength. Then you see here 42 Vision with strength, and we got that bull indicator, and it went up to a highest point from the dip to the rip of 19%, guys. Almost reaching home run territory, which is 20% in a single run. If you want to get on early with us every single morning, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with DWAC, and DWAC was expected, right, by a lot of investors that this run could continue. That's what the expectation was. That's what the hope was. But at the end of the day, the charts were showing very different. But when it comes to real strength and a healthy move, this is looking pretty good from down here to here, creating a move to the upside, right? Creating that staircase effect that any investor would naturally want to start pushing upwards if this is going to go in an upward momentum trajectory, right? Obviously, we want things to go to the moon, but in a healthy manner, this is probably moving upside like a staircase effect. Now, we don't know just yet. We have key levels to look at and also see what Ultimate 42 Vision, 42 Vision, 42 Vision 2.0 is showing. And by the way, these are tools and resources you have access to as well now. Check out the link down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator. And by joining 42 Vision tier level, you gain access to the daily watch list, weekly watch list, and a community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, and the clarity one deserves through the volatility of these markets with the 3 premium indicators that are all going to be released for 42 Vision. So 42 Vision is the one we see right now. When it is white with red borders, that is extreme weakness, and usually a reversal is about to come, and you can see it there, the full strength that came after it in the aftermarket hours. And today in the pre-market, it was going into weakness, shifting from green to green with red borders, and from green with red borders to red, okay, on the 30-minute. Now, if I pull up Ultimate 42 Vision, you could see here we had a bull indicator that popped up yesterday. It lasted until today, and once a specific level was met up here at around $50, the bear indicator popped up and it went downwards even further, but it has tried to consolidate here. So this is where on the 30-minute, this is very important. Why? Because if this does not reverse and negate this bear indicator, okay? We might go through some volatility, but eventually, if no bull indicator pops up and no real strength like we saw here, this indicator will stay true, and the direction that this is really going to go towards is this way. And whatever it goes up, if no bull indicator pops up on the 30-minute, it can turn into a big bull trap, okay? Super important to be aware of how powerful this is and what it looks for based off specific levels in the charts. Now, 42 Vision 2.0 though is showing a shift as well from green to red. And when this starts, it usually continues. So even if the stock goes back up, if this does not switch back to green and it stays red, it actually says the same thing as this bear indicator, that we're possibly going to continue going downwards. Okay, so there's some specific things to look at based off the charts, and that's today's support level as well. Okay, so if this gets broken through, it will go ahead and signify that we could go into further weakness. If the 42 Vision 2.0 and also Ultimate 42 Vision bear indicator continue to stay true, $44.62, if that gets broken through, I will be watching how it reacts between that area and down here at 39.80, 39.90 to see what is going on and if the bulls try to reappear or if the bears continue to tear this one down. Now to the upside on the 30-minute, this is a specific level to watch. That is 53.86. If you want to round that up to $54, you're more than welcome to as well, to see what is going on, if it could break out from that and reach the highs from yesterday at $59 and continue a staircase effect from here on out, from way down here in the 40s and $39 range. So I need you guys to understand on the 30-minute, that's what it's showing. So let's go ahead and look here at the 4-hour, because if we have a bull indicator, it is going to signify the possibility of strength. Okay, so there you have it. Okay, there's a bull indicator here on the 4-hour. You could see here what I told you guys earlier. When you see these coming up, usually a reversal is bound to come, specifically when it is white with red borders. There's always a reversal that tries to reappear eventually, and here you have it, and it got it there a few days later. Now we do have here a bull indicator. Now we need to see how strong it is, because the last time a bear indicator popped up was way back here at $74. So what I'm hoping for is through the volatility, it does the same thing, okay? That it takes a while to send us another bear indicator, and that this bull indicator stays to hold true and just continues that upward direction that this stock deserves to move upwards based off its valuation, because its market cap right now is 1.75, and I've done videos breaking down the valuation and possible valuation of this company. So the bear indicator popped up way back here in the 74 range. We saw how long it's been bearish and how it continued to go into weakness, but now we got the white with red borders, extreme weakness, possible reversal, possible move, and a bear indicator switching to a bull indicator. That is a signification of possible strength here to continue that staircase effect that we're looking for. Okay, that's what we're hoping for, because if this goes into extreme weakness right away, we're gonna get another bear indicator, and who knows how long it's gonna take for the next bull indicator to pop up based off specific levels in the charts. Now 42 Vision 2.0, if I bring it up, you can also see how it's trying to reverse here, and it has not done that once in the whole entire trajectory of this downward trend. The only time it tried was right here, and it was minimal. It didn't even do a staircase effect upwards. It was just kind of sideways plateau, and this one is slightly trying to go up. This needs to curvature much more predominantly, so we could see, just like how it did here when it's going down, so that we could see some real strength coming into DWAC, DWAC. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below, how you feel about this one. What are your thoughts? Was that just a big bull trap, or is this beginning that staircase effect I keep talking about, and we might push up higher? Now, if you want to receive clarity in the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. Join the 42 Vision tier level. We'll get you set up, and you will get the clarity you deserve to maximize on opportunities and navigate through this volatile market with clarity to maximize through the ups and downs, the dips and the rips. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.